Hi, I'm Randy Reid, editor of Designing Lighting magazine, and we are here at the IALD Enlighten Americas Conference near San Diego. And I am joined by Andreas Schulz of Licht in Germany. Andre, welcome.
Thank you very much.
It's great to see you, and you have just won an award of merit. What is the name of the job?
It's a Casals Forum. It's a music hall close to Frankfurt. It's a private entity, and it's, let's say, a place where all the most talented young musicians are invited to give concerts and to be educated, and it's all about young people.
Okay. Well, tell our audience a little bit about the lighting that you designed to use on this project.
It's a very simple lighting. First of all, it's all about the architecture, and we added some, let's say, pendant luminaires, which we designed, and these pendant luminaires, they are on a special control system. So once the concert starts, they are, let's say, very softly dim up. And then they get the focus on the concert, on the orchestra.
Sure.
On the orchestra, some of them dimming high then, others dimming a little bit more high, but there is a structure inside of that, which means we're gonna layer the whole concert hall with light in different quantities. And when let's say the concert is over, just the, let's say, the performers are illuminated and the rest is kind of dark, and then they dim up a little bit, so it's a kind of scenography, which is an interesting thing, beside of a beautiful luminaire.
Right. Now, pardon my misunderstanding, when you say dim up, does that mean light levels are increasing?
Yeah, increasing, right.
Okay,
right.
so the light levels are increasing. That sounds like a brilliant idea.
Yeah, it's a very dynamic installation, even that the pendants are at the same location. But for the reason that they are, let's say, controlled in different patterns, it is kind of dynamic installation, and the audience is very much entertained by it.
Okay.
And the light is really beautiful light. It's a warm color temperature. It's very soft.
What is the color temperature?
2700.
Okay.
So,
yeah. And then what controls are you using?
It's a DMX signal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. What fixtures are they?
They are custom made.
Okay.
Custom made by a very small company, which we are collaborating for some years, and the glass is Venetian glass.
Okay, and I assume the company's in Germany?
Pardon me?
The company is in Germany?
Yeah.
Okay, so that just gives you kind of total control. You're not waiting on fixtures to come in from some other country?
But it was a time when we started the project, COVID hits.
Oh.
And so it was all about supply, and the supply chain was, let's say, interrupted. And the control gears or the drivers and everything, the company didn't produce on their own. They need to come from wherever from. And it was challenging, yeah.
Okay. So was that your biggest challenge, would be the supply part of it?
No, the biggest challenge was that that concert hall is, let's say, a kind of private entity, and there is one guy running it, and he had the idea, and he got the money from the government, from the state, from everywhere, but very strong personality, and he got his own thoughts. And so to deal with a person who got his own ideas was really challenging, but it turned out to be very nice, because that kind of, let's say, interaction between of us as the designers and him as the owner, more or less, was a very challenging process, which made us very proud on the result.
Andre, congratulations on such a great job. And when I am at Lighting Building in Frankfurt, I want to come see it.
You are very much welcome. You get a private tour by me.
Okay, very
Thank
good.
you.